Hi, this is Bijoy Nambiar. I just watched Amis. I think it was a very wildly original idea. I've been hearing a lot about the film. I'm glad I finally got to watch it. Quite something. Took me completely by surprise. I was not expecting it to go this way.
Absolutely loved Amis. I think it's the most unique film that I've watched in a long time.
Such a rare, original, beautiful film to come out of India, and it's been dealt with so boldly, and there's so much of kindness to its characters as well. They're not like loud.
I haven't seen any film dealing with repression like this. I think first of all, the main part of repression being addressed like this, and I feel the best part I loved was the ending bit.
It's amazing. It's it's amazing. At a point I was literally felt like crying.
It's the most intimate love story that I have seen, and there are many unique things about the film. I think you got to watch. I don't want to give out any spoilers, but I think it's just a lovely film and a great climax.
Wonderful performances. Wonderful. I am in awe with all the actors.
Psychological mindfuck of a film.
I don't think I've seen anything like this movie before.